No? Nobody wants to play with Michelin? Get him, Michelin! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him, Michelin! Get the Ewok! Get the Ewok! Get the Ewok! It's tight back here.
Her car.
Sure, she's gone.
Oh.
I went over there to tell her, but she was leaving. The bricks are right there too, I think.
I can't see that. That corner of this one. That could be good. No.
I guess he wants to cut this, but
Just to take it another brick over there. See it from here.
yeah.
Yeah, that's what he's gonna do now. I see.
And you can't. Buddy, there she goes.
Got it.
The tags on the tires threw me for a minute there. It's like, what's that? Okay.
Alright,
Yay!
now let's go this way.
Oh, gosh. And we're going over here. Behind the lattice. This was where she was. You can see the where it's sunk in the mud a few times. Not good. At least it's out of the pit and over close to me, so I can get her finished. This is great. Wow, what an ordeal though. There we go. I give her a bath too. Okay, she is safely in her new digs. Temporary digs while I work on her. Oh, I can't plug in yet because we still have to finish this socket. But I came over and opened up the windows to let it air out. It's 100. It was 104. Now it's 100. Cool front, right? So there we are. Awesome. Don't want to step in a hole. I asked my neighbor to wash it, but she didn't do that. I guess I'll have to do that myself, huh? Oh, this is so cool. Thank you, guys. Thank you for everybody's help, and thank you for my viewers, for your support, your words of encouragement, your words of wisdom and such. So we're not done yet, but now it'll be easier going. Got the tires and got power over there. Yes. Aw, so cool. Okay, I will catch y'all later and live the life you love. Bye.